Good morning. This is going to be a quick video. It's on canning mac and cheese. I'm telling everybody to research for yourself, see if you think it's safe for you and what you want to do. But I've done this 2 or 3 times and it really tastes good. We're going to start out with 3 cups of milk and 1 cup of half and half, plus a can of evaporated milk. I've got my kettle heating in the back, and when it gets heated up, comes to a boil, we'll add 2 cups of hot water. If you don't have half and half, you can just use all milk. It's not that important. The evaporated milk does give it a better flavor, I think. You're going to need 7 pint jars, half a cup of mac in each jar. Whole wheat noodles do work better, so your kids won't be able to tell that it's canned with whole wheat noodles because they're going to be pressure canned for 25 minutes. You can also add a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. You decide what you want to do with your seasonings. You can taste it and see where you're at. If you want more salt, less salt, no pepper, that's totally up to you. This is a quick project because you're only going to can this for 25 minutes. But the main thing is you do not want to let your milk cheese mixture come to a boil. You just want it to heat up enough to melt the cheese, because if it does come to a boil, it's going to collaborate together and it's going to be a runny cheese sauce. It's going to make it just want to all stick together and form clumps. I rinsed out my evaporated milk can and made sure we got 2 cups of hot water in the pan. Like I said, keep stirring. Don't try to heat it too fast. I'm going to cube up 8 ounces of Velvetta. We're going to also grate up 2 cups of cheddar. I melt the Velvetta first. Once it's melted, add the cheddar cheese. Keep stirring it. And you can even use a whisk, keep it going together. After your cheese is all melted, you'll add it to your jars, leaving a 1-inch headspace. And what I did is I just kind of equalized it out in each jar. And when that is done, you're going to put your lids and rings on. I pressure it 10 pounds because I'm below 2,000 sea level. You need to check and see what it is for your area and see what pressure you need to use. But it only pressures for 25 minutes. I hope you enjoy the recipe we have. It's really good. Just go break open a jar of mac and cheese and eat it. So be a great snack for kids, even in half pints. Have a nice day. This is the Pressure Prepper. I'm out.